up YouTube? It's your girl Officially Damaris, and I am back with another hair tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the high puff, the natural hairstyle where girls wear their hair up in a little puff ball at the top. So when I wear my high puff, I usually keep my braids in. So to start it off, you know, I'm just about to take these old braids out and redo them. Back. Alright, so I took my braid out and I'm just about to braid it up. I'm gonna do this side and this side. I'm gonna fast forward it because y'all don't need to be watching me do that, you know? And y'all should respect me for that. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my gel and put it on my edges and the top so I can have that sleek look. Alright guys, you want to make sure your braid is long. Like if your braid is not long, you just have to come back here and get more hair because it has to go all the way up into the thing. So now I got my boom boom booms. Before you put that puff in your head, you better make sure you comb your head a little bit. Like I want these little curls right here to show in my puff, so I'm not gonna comb them all the way out, but you gotta, you know, stretch it a little bit. Pull everything out. Just make sure you stretch the hair. Alright, for me, I would say do not wet your hair because the last time I tried to do this hairstyle, I wet my hair and when I put the headband on, it like just slipped up. And bro, I was so mad because I had to go to work in like 10 minutes. So I had to think of a whole new hairstyle because my hair wasn't going to dry in 10 minutes. Alright guys, so the next thing we're finna use is some olive oil. You gonna take that olive oil, boom. Go like this, boom. Put that in your hand. That ain't enough. Do it again, boom. That ain't enough. One more time. There you go. Now you got some, hold up. Olive oil. Rub that together. Put it in that thing. After you put that olive oil in your hair, rub that gel together. And put it on the back of your head. Like this. And brush it up. Like that. Alright, so this is the biggest problem we usually face when trying to do the high puff. What size scrunchie do you use? If you use a headband and double it, you're gonna have a headache. So I got another method for you. All you gotta do is take that same headband you was finna double, make a knot. However big you think your head is. I think this is about good for me. Almost half, not all the way in half, but almost half. You know, do that. Knot it, boom, make it real tight. So this is the part you're gonna put around your head. Here's the scissors. So you just take the scissors and cut this part off. Just like this. And you got that. This is not gonna be noticeable, but if it bothers you, fill it in. Boom, so now you got a perfect size headband. And this headband right here has the little grippies on it, so like when you put it on your hair, it's not supposed to move, it's supposed to like grip. So that's a good one to use. Put it over your head. Maybe I should have bended this, but either way. And you start from the back, put the grippies on there, and you go up slowly. Sit it right here. So right now it's right here on my head, but the back, I believe the back is all the way gripped so far. We're gripped enough. Alright, so I like to pull it back up. Top is sliding up. Bend down a little bit. So then you just pull it up until you feel as though that's where you want your ponytail to be at. I think that one's about right. I gotta look in the mirror. Oh yeah, that's right. That's cute. That looks good. Alright, so boom, there goes my little high puff. You know, we gotta slay the edges though. Put some bobby pins in there for these little braids just in case they not all the way secure. Put them bad babies down, baby. Put them bad babies down and around. You know how SpongeBob said, bring it around town. Do that. Bring it around town. And y'all know how I feel about my sideburns. And y'all should respect me for that. Close up. What is that? Alright, so now you take your headscarf and you gotta put your headscarf on because this is if you want your edges to lay flat all day. If I keep my edges like this, they're gonna just, you know, curl up later. So in order to keep them like this all day, I have to put a scarf on the front of my head. And this will help the back stay up too, so. Since we couldn't put much in our hair, after you're done putting your puff in, you can put some stuff in there. Like I have this spray on polisher, you can put that in there right now while it's in a scarf. This just gives it some shine so it doesn't look dry. And then you got this coconut oil shine and hold mist. Same thing, shine and hold. Put a little bit of that on there. Leave your headscarf on for about 10 minutes and I'll be back to show you the final product. Wait, is that you? Looking like you looking good. And take my headscarf off. Boom. It just lays everything down for you. That's all a headscarf really does. And then the top looks mad juicy. It's spicy up in here. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Officiallydamaris.
Pull up on me in a drop, and I'm hopping off the top, scuffing up my new J's. I just took them out the box.
Pull up on me in a drop, and